we are going to solve a few more quadratic equations using factorization. In the previous class, we have discussed solving quadratic equations in one variable using the method of factorization. So today we will continue the class, and I have selected some quadratic equations based on the pattern of questions asked in the board exam of class 10. So let us solve these equations. The first equation, x square minus 7x plus 10, is written here. So let us solve it. So this is a quadratic equation in the format this is the standard format or form of a quadratic equation in one variable. So here a is 1, b is 7 and c is 10. Minus 7 and c is 10. So multiplying a and c, we get a into c is 10 and b is minus 7. So we need two numbers whose product is 10 and whose summation is 7. So the two numbers are 5 into 2 is 10 and minus 5 minus 2 is 10. Actually this is minus 5 minus 5 plus 2, summation is minus 7. So the two numbers are 5 and 7, 5 and 2. Next, we will expand the equation using the two numbers. So x square minus 5x minus 2x plus 10 equal to 0. Now notice one thing. This is very important. Just look at the sign before this coefficient of x. It is 7. The standard format is this, x square plus bx plus c. So actually it is plus minus 7x minus 7x. So the b is equal to minus 7. So the two numbers are 5 and 2, which can be added to get minus 7. But if you take the positive integers, 5 plus 2, that gives you 7, not minus 7. So how you can get minus 7? It is by adding minus 2 with minus 2, minus 5 with minus 2. You get minus 7. So that is why your numbers are minus 5 and minus 2. Because minus 5 into minus 2, that is 10, and minus 5 plus minus 2 is minus 7. Clear? So this can be written as x minus 5 minus 2 x minus 5 equal to 0. X square 5x minus 2x minus plus 10. Hence x minus 2 or x minus 5, 0, which means either x minus 2 equal to 0 hence x can be 2, or x minus 5 is 0, hence x can be 5, hence x is equal to minus 2 or minus 2 or x is equal to 5, and that is your solution. Equation number 2, 2x square 9x plus 4. This is also in this standard form. So a is 2, b is 9, and c is 4. So a into c is 8, b is 9. So we need two numbers whose product is 8 and whose summation is 9. So we get 2 into 4, we get 8 into 1 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, so the numbers are 8 and 1. So let us break this equation to include 8 and 1. So this can be written as 8x plus x plus 4 equal to 0, which means this is 2x x plus 4 plus x plus 4 is 0. X plus 4 common, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Hence either x plus 4 is 0, which means x is equal to minus 4, or 2x plus 1 equal to 0, which means 2x is minus 1, or x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Hence x is either minus 4 or x is equal to minus 1 by 2, and that is your solution. Equation number 3 is x square minus 4. Now this can be written as x square 2 square is 0, but this can be written as, this is a formula, factorization formula, a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So it is similar to this formula, a square b square. So the resultant is x plus 2, x minus 2 is 0, which means hence either x plus 2 equal to 0, hence x is minus 2, or x minus 2 is 0, hence x is equal to 2, hence x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 2, and that is your solution. By the way, someone asked me why multiplying, if we multiply the factors, if it is 0, then why the we can equate this factor to 0, both the factors. We can say that either x plus 2 is 0 or x minus 2 is 0. The answer is that if you multiply two factors and the product is 0, then either of the factors is 0. It is always true, because it is a property of 0. It is called zero product property. If two factors multiplied together gives 0, then either of the factors is 0, or both of them 0. That is a property, zero product property. So the last equation, 3x square minus 5x minus 2. Here a is 3, b is minus 5, and c is minus 2. A, B, C. A into C is 3 into minus 2, minus 6. B is minus 5. So we need two numbers whose product is minus 6 and whose summation is minus 5. So the numbers can be 3 and 2. It will lead us to 6, and 3 plus 2, it will lead us to 5. So 3 and 2 can be the numbers. But no, this cannot be the numbers, because it is summation here and we need a negative number, minus 5. So minus 6 can be minus 6 into 1 is minus 6, and minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. So the numbers will be minus 6 and 1. So it is a little bit different. We have to find out the midterm carefully. Okay. So this can be written as 3x square minus 6x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0, which is equal to 3x x minus 2 plus x minus 2 is 0. 3x into x, 3x, 3x into 2, 6x, x minus 2, x minus 2. And this is equal to, this is common, x minus 2, 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Hence, either x minus 2 is 0, hence x is equal to 2, or 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is 3x is equal to, minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So x is either 2 or x is equal to minus 1 by 3, and that is the solution.